Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the concatenate function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is used in order to put text strings together. So what's going to happen is that we are going to use various arguments that will be text arguments, and we are going to put them all together, right? So pretty simple. What I want to do is I want to write a sentence that says, hello, my name is Mike, I am 21 years old. So we are going to write this down inside of our concatenate function. So yeah, it's a little bit complicated to say. So let's write it down. So I will write it down here. So this will be my function. And let's start. So in order to write down this function, it's pretty simple. We are going to start with an equal sign, and we can start by writing down concatenate. Here we go. And here, just like that, we are going to have our first text. So just for the purpose of you understanding this, there is an unlimited amount of arguments inside of this function. So it's really up to you how many arguments you want to have in this function. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to have maybe from 3 to 5 arguments. So we'll start with hello. So here we go. We have our first argument, which will be text1. So here we have hello. Now let's say I want to add some text manually. How am I going to do this? I will simply add those little signs right here. And whoop, little mistake. There we go. And I'm going to write my text inside of it. So my name is, and just like that, let's say I want to be able to change the name to here from Mike to, I don't know, something else, to James, to whatever. I'm gonna use this cell right here. So it's important to also add a comma. And just like that, I'm gonna add Mike. Now I wanna add its age as well. So I will add a comma, and it's important to use those signs right here. I am, and here we're gonna close it. Once again, we're gonna add a comma. We're going to add this cell. And just like that, we are going to enter years old. And if we decide to run this function, as you can see, here it is. Hello, my name is Mike. I am 21 years old. So it's possible to modify it a little bit. So as you can see, it's not written perfectly. So we're going to modify it a little bit. So here, for example, we are going to bring this right there. And like this. Here we go. So now it makes a little bit more sense. So hello, my name is Mike. I am 21 years old. Let's say I change from 21 to 25, well, 26. As you can see, it will automatically change my age right here. Let's say I want to go from Mike to, I don't know, John. Here we go. Hello, my name is John. Here, instead of hello, let's say I want to say hi. Once again, it will change from hello to hi. So I have 3 variables, and I have text that is not variable. So my name is, for example, I am, and years old will be fixed. Of course, I can change it. But if I want to only be able to change text, those will be the arguments that I will be able to change directly in a certain cell. This can be used to create templates of, for example, emails or templates of text. So you send a person a certain questionnaire that this person will fill. And when the person has filled that questionnaire, it will automatically generate a certain text or a certain sentence, and you will be able to have that sentence or that text directly ready by the person simply filling up certain cases. So this is how you use the concatenate function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.